Hello friends, if you want to avail the recording, first of all go to the Play Store and type Margdarshan Guru. Just type Margdarshan Guru and Margdarshan space Guru. First option that you are seeing right now, click it and open it. Now please note that you will get and allow the no notification. If you click on the extreme left side 3 lines, extreme left side 3 lines, you will say free material. Click on the free material. Third option. You will get lot of PPTs free of cost that I have made right now. Click on the videos. You will get lot of videos that webinar that we have conducted absolutely free of cost. Okay. Now please go back please. Click on the home. Now in the home, those people who are in today's webinar or those who are in the paid batch, they will be getting batch codes. So you can see the bottom, there are batches, store, chat and profile. At the bottom you can see, click on the batches. You have to click on the patches and you will see, initially you will see, you will not see anything. You will see only plus option. You have to click on the plus option. After clicking the plus option, you have to enter the batch code. Let's suppose there is sample batch code, small SATY Satya 338899. Entire all are small. And click OK. Approval will be done by my core team. After the approval, you just have to refresh your application. Please note that refreshing your application is very, very important. Only after once you refresh, then you will see the now just refresh mean close the application, then again open the application. You will see the access. Just close it. Now open the application again from the beginning. Now you can see, click on the batches again. Now you see now click on the WhatsApp automation and then you will see the videos. Click on the videos, you will see all the videos. And here you can see all the videos of your courses effectively. So entering of the batch code is very, very important. Please note that. And after entering the batch code, you will be getting the access after the approval. I hope that this tutorial will be useful. Please note that for free material, you have to click on the home. Please click on the home. Now click on the top, you can see Margdarshan Guru, left side 3 dots. Click on the free materials. Here you will get a lot of quality, high quality free materials. Okay. Now go back to the home page. Now if you want to know more about courses, you can see, you can browse our all the courses. Please, you can scroll all the courses, popular courses you can see. Okay. Even you can scroll down. Okay. You can see the bottom, all the courses. You can just see all the courses that we are having right now. Okay. So please note that these are all the courses you can go through and these all are live classes. Please note that. Okay. I hope that this tutorial will be very, very useful to know about how you can access your recordings.